Getting ready to start the day.
Ooh-wee.
Waiting for Brianna to get ready.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're not even ready.
I'm just gonna put on my hat, man. Look at you.
Your sunglasses?
I got him.
Who's Buddy?
Hey, Sam Squanch.
Are you upset that we're leaving?
You're a good boy, though. Gonna hold down the fort when we're gone. Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss.
Give it a kiss.
Good boy. I need my hat. Got it. Got him.
Your plugs.
Alright, I think we're ready now. Alright.
Your destination is on the right.
Yeah. Oh my god, get that. Oh yeah, no dogs or horses. Well, check there.
Did you get that song over here?
So this is where we are. We're at Beaumont.
Hill.
Antiques.
And Collectibles.
Yeah.
Hopefully they let us record. We'll see.
Yeah, hopefully. Oh, I love these cups. These cups are the best. These are legit. Holy shit. Look at them.
That's so cool. It's glass. But not really.
Really put a whole new level to ask those chaps.
Look at his pants.
My mom used to call spoons with this. Oh my god, why did I not even see this?
Yeah, he's only.
Is that your video?
Yeah, he's a pen holder.
I mean, did you look at this guy's face though?
Do you see this kitty though? What else for you? What? Oh, what? This guy.
That can't be real.
I think it is.
Take it out.
Indian glass diamond cut. So it's marked down to $12.
Looks just like a red.
Just don't get me. I kind of like this.
So what was this that you were looking at that you said to me?
It's like a Norwegian cooking dish. Maybe. I do like that.
It's just a snap.
Fire King.
Is it really?
Yep. $150.
No, never. Oh, okay, then it was
Pretty
pretty.
good.
wouldn't be able to use it.
No. Well, you can buy the top. That's probably why someone stole it from that. This tripod.
I mean, this thing, best of luck in finding this thing, you know?
Yeah, I know. Oh, that's perfect. You know what?
Sweet
Georgia got Karen one of those.
Sweet sesame.
Ooh.
Let's go get some jadeite.
Yes.
There?
Yeah, they are. Those are gorgeous.
See, you're on those.
And then it has the thing on it. This is really cool. I've never seen something like this.
How much is this really cool?
Check my price. No price. Must be free.
Yeah, so we just finished up in Beaumont Mill.
Antiques and
Antiques.
collectibles.
super awesome store if
Yeah,
you are
it was
around
really
the
cool.
GTA or Toronto area.
Thank you, Jamie, for the recommendation.
Yeah.
We loved it.
Yeah, it was great. Definitely go check it out. They have a lot
Yeah.
of stuff. They have so much stuff. We spent like a good plus hour in here, and
Yeah.
now we're starving.
Yeah, so maybe we're gonna go try to find a vegan, vegetarian restaurant,
Yeah.
and
We're in
Eat some noms.
we're in the back country, so it's going to be a little difficult.
I love it. I just want to live here.
We got to drive a little bit, and then we're going to go to Whole Foods.
Yeah, and we'll show you guys what we got when we got home.
Yeah, it's all packaged, and
All the Pyrex.
we're very excited to show you.
Yeah.
All right,
Yes.
let's do it.
Hungry. Wait. Paul, let's do this. This is what we got at Beaumont Mill Antiques and Collectibles. So before I undo all these, I have a slight Pyrex addiction. Bubba does too. Oh, we call him Bubba. His name is Sam Squanch. It's from Trailer Park Boys. We call him Squanch for short. Cat butt. Don't do that. That's not good. You want to see the things? You gonna help Mom? So, jadeite, originally made by Fire King. Martha Stewart kind of made these famous. She came out with her own line, but those are replicants. They aren't the original Fire King like these, and sometimes they're really expensive. This one was pretty good today. I say pretty good to me, but other people might think it's outrageous. How much was it?
I think it was listed at 50, but we got it for like 40. I think 40 or like 35 or something.
Yeah, it was 30% off of 50. So
Yeah, but he also just did willy-nilly, so we can't.
that's true.
He went very willy-nilly.
But it's a measuring mixing bowl, then you
Yeah.
can pour it. It'd be really good for
Pitcher
crepes.
form.
Crepes
Yeah.
and pancakes.
All right, let's not drop
Anything.
that.
I know.
It's scaring me. Scaring me.
So that. And then these other bebés, which these are really expensive other places as well.
Yeah, these are actually I have never actually seen one.
I've seen pictures of them.
IRL. You know?
IRL.
Yeah. James Quench.
I found my food. So here's the medium bowl.
All right, so we also went to Whole Foods after we ate. So we got, what is this? Dinosaur kale?
Yeah, dino kale.
Organic dinosaur kale. Oh, that's a dinosaur. It's good stuff. It was like 2 for $5. Our favorite place to get nutritional yeast. It's about, I think it's cheaper than Metro, huh? Hon?
It's $8 for that 32 ounce container. $8.50.
Porcini mushrooms. These are
Yes.
the best. You put these in like a almond milk or like soy milk sauce and like thicken it and put a little bit of nooch with it. And
Alfredo.
it's so good. This stuff is the best. Henry.
Oh.
So this is our favorite tempeh. It doesn't have like too strong of like a fermented taste. It's very bland. We use it a lot for tempeh bacon. I don't know if we've really done it with too much other stuff, huh?
Tofu. Oh,
Tofu?
tempeh?
Yeah, with this tempeh here.
Yeah, no.
We usually do it for bacon because it has a nice harder consistency.
Vegan bacon. Yes.
Obviously.
We have a really good recipe, but
I didn't see you slip this in the bag, but we got some extra firm tofu.
surprise.
It's
That
wild.
one's sprouted.
Wildwood. Ooh, sprouted.
Yeah.
Nice.
Which means It's better.
Got some good field roast sausage. Probably our favorite, like, store-bought sausage. We do make our own. We like ours a bit better, but this one, we smoked apple sage, is really nice and sweet.
Yep.
And
Best flavor.
Very savory.
I'm coming in.
We got a couple avocados, squanched for scale.
Yeah.
They're nice organic. I think 2 for $3 avocados.
Oh, those are some nice avocados, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
Look at my tail.
All right. And then we got just 2 regular blocks.
Organic extra firm.
Are these organic?
Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah. Would you look at that?
Yeah.
2 extra firm tofus. And that was it. So that's, we kind of go there just to get little...
Can I eat it?
No, you cannot eat
Can I
it.
eat it?
We go there to get little extra type of foods that we can't get at, like No Frills, because that's our main shopping place, because the cheapest. Do not.
Can I eat it?
Stop that.
Can I eat it?
Hey. So yeah, like what we can't get at Metro or No Frills, we'll get there and test out some stuff too.
He likes plastic.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, stop that.
That's enough of that.
Stop that.
So, all in all, we had a very busy day.
Yeah, very.
We got real tired after that antique mall.
Stop biting me. Everybody thinks you're a monster.
Would you be nice? Douche.
He's like licking me. He's like, let me down. There's all these plastic things I want to bite.
Yes. Yeah, but tomorrow
Satisfied.
we'll go and get all of our other produce. These are just kind of extra add-ons.
I have to move these. This cat is a monster.
He's a monster.
To the fridge we go. Don't.
But now we are going to video chat with our family.
Yeah, back in the States.
And relax for a little bit.
Ah, I can't wait.
So.
It's been a long, long month.
Yeah.
Leave these out?
Yeah. In the closet.
It's pretty random, willy-nilly, but
Yes.
we had a good day.
Yeah, we did have a good day. Signing off. Let us know if you like vlogs.
Yeah. We're going to put them in a separate...
this vlog if you like it.
Yeah, and subscribe if you want to see more. Let us know.
Yes.
We're going to be putting it in a different playlist, so don't...
Yeah, if you
Don't
don't
worry.
like it, don't watch it. It's cool. I get it.
Yeah, it's too late for that. Right?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.